Buy Wohome S09 TV soundbar system at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Wohome TV Soundbar S09, designed in 2020 with DSP technology, built-in 2x subwoofer, 2 full-range speakers, and bass reflect tube, could output 90 decibels crystal clear sound and deep bass for all your movie, music, gaming, and TV shows. Built-in 2x2.5-inch subwoofers and 1 bass reflex tube, could reinforce low-frequency sounds, add rich bass to your movie, TV shows, music, and gaming. Wohome S09 designed with DSP technology for amazing clarity and precision for enhanced dialogue, a great improvement for your TVs, PCs, projector, and other devices' audio. Produce 2.1-channel surround sound for all your movies, TV shows and news. Enjoy fantastic home theater experiment, support 4-sound model. Powerful 60-watt speaker system could produce loud crystal clear sound for all your movie, music, gaming, and TV shows. Enjoy a round, high-end audio experience. Built-in DSP chip, support movie mode, music mode, dialogue modes, and default. What's more, bass and treble adjustable. Find your favorite sound via the remote control, a really great home theater system. Great for 40-inch to 75-inch TVs including Samsung, Vizio, TCL, LG, Philips, Sony, Toshiba, Hitachi, Insignia, Scepter, Element and almost all the traditional, smart and 4K TVs.